Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing the USB-C charger from Honda, the OEM. I'll take it out and let you guys have a look at it. So this is what it's looking like. Now, when you get it in the package, you'll have two rubber protectors that go on it. I already put them on, so just to show you guys. So you'll have the first inner one, which basically you'll just slide it on to protect it, and then over top you'll slide that one that basically fits right over the bracket like this. So it's just a little rubber protector. You got an inside one and an outside one, and then you got your cap that will go over top like this to protect it, and then you got your connector on it, which is the standard female connector that we need. So here you got the two holes here. Now it comes with these little rubber inserts. I put one in to show you guys how it's going to go. So when you get it, it's just open like this, and then you'll be installing two of these. So I wanted to show you guys actually having it installed first to see what one looks like and one doesn't look like. So essentially you're going to put your screws through there. Now what they give you, I'll show you. You get the two screws, you get these two metal inserts, and you get two of these rubber ones. One of them I have already put on to show you guys. So essentially you're going to be putting this through here, feeding it through like this. So it looks like that. And then putting your screw through like that. That way you have the rubber on the inside on both sides here and here. That way it'll help with the vibration from the bike. So that's what the one looks like, and we'll insert the other one and get it ready. What I want to show you guys is actually where it's going to go on the bike. So if you see here on the 300 Rally, you actually have a mounting point, metal mounting point that's on the base here. So that's actually designed specifically for this USB-C. So if you see, it's going to basically go like this. So it's going to be pointing downwards, kind of like that. And then your plug's going to be on the bottom here, and of course then you're going to feed your wires down. Now I know for the 300L it's a little more tricky. To get to your accessory plug, you actually have to go in behind the light, and that's how you access it. But if you guys see my previous video, you'll know that basically on the Rally it's on the side, on the left fairing. Now I'll let you guys check out my video at the end of this. I'll leave a link so you guys can see. So what I essentially did is I designed a splitter. So I got three plugs, and one into the main female to male, and I've got three accessory plugs. Now one, I already did my GPS. Now the second one I'm going to use for this. And then the third one, as I said in the previous video, I'm probably going to install some heated grips or some auxiliary lights. All right, so as I showed you guys, I just put the rubber piece in here, and then the metal one goes in front of it like that. Now here's the other one. I'm going to insert this one and show you guys. It's very, very fiddly to get it in. So I'll just use my little screwdriver here and try to push it through. Okay, now that's through. Now what you want to do is you put your other metal insert in here like that, and that's ready to be installed on the bike now. Now remember, when you get it, it will come with these off, and again, it's nothing to it. You just slip the first rubber one over top of this, and the second one just slips over top of the bracket right here. As you can see, there's a little insert here for it. Very, very simple. Okay, so let's get it installed on the bike. So here is the two holes that it's going to mount to, and we've got this all set up to go. So it's just basically going to go like that. Now what we're going to do now is just try to hand feed this screw to get it started. First, get this top one started first a little bit. It's actually quite snug. and try to get the bottom one started. Now, the advantage to having this pointing down is it'll help to prevent the, the rain and things getting inside, just in case the cover happened to come off or something like that. The rain's going to run down this way, so it's a lot less chance of any rain or anything else getting inside there. Now, I seem to be able to hand tighten the bottom one pretty good, but the top one seems to be a little bit tight. All right, now we'll get the ratchet. All right, for this, guys, you're just going to need a hex, which is a 5 mil, and we'll get started on this, tightening it up just a little bit at a time. Right now I just want to get them a little closer, and then I will make sure the position is correct. I think that looks pretty good where it is. Bring it in a little bit. Now, I'm not aware of there being any torque spec on this, so I'm just going to go snug, but not, overdo it. Just go with fairly tight, but not overly tight. That looks good. This one. All right. So that is on there. Got this little cover here. So now, the next step is going to be to basically just find a place to run the wire. I'll get started on that, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's wired in, and we'll give it a test. All right, guys, so the USB is installed. No issues, really. I just took off the 2 screws here on the side that are used for the indicator. Took off this one, took off this one, and then basically fed the cable through here, around the back. And as you can see in here, the main line of cable, just put it on there, put 2 zip ties on it, and then tied it into my existing splitter I got here. And yeah, those are tied down for the GPS. For the USB-C, I got my one little extra one loose here. And that's about it. Now we just got to test it out. So let's do that. All right, guys, got my USB-C cable plugged in here. Gonna give the bike some power. Let's try to plug this phone in, see what we get. All right, there we go. Got power to the phone. Everything's good. So that's it for my USB-C installation. And hope to catch you guys in the next video. Take care, everyone.